to Tich. In this session, you will learn how to use the whiteboard and its tools. Whiteboards are useful to graphically convey ideas, from explaining maths to music sheets or anything words can't. To start using it, make sure you have selected the board view on the top toolbar. Notice the sidebar on the left of your whiteboard. Here are the tools you can use. Select the pen tool to draw on the whiteboard. Click on the pen tool again to change the color and the stroke weight. Use the marker to fill in figures or highlight texts. Oops, are your drawing skills far from perfection? No problem, just click the undo button. Or use the eraser tool to remove strokes. Move along the board while dragging, using the Move tool. Use the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons to change the perspective. Use whiteboard pages to organize your content along the session. Create new ones. Switch between them. Or delete the ones you don't want anymore. A couple of things to consider. Every change and movement you make is mirrored to all of your students' screens. This way, nobody gets lost. And remember, only the instructor and the students who were given control can use the drawing tool. Have fun using the whiteboard!